Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today is going to be a short video, but we've got some updates, of course. There's a lot happening right here. We've got some analysts, it's been a long day, predicting XRP, of course, to hit $4. I think that's easily done. Solana, again, bullish on this, sees dramatic increase in institutional investment. How good is that? Bitcoin still has plenty of time to dollar cost average. And again, we're still early in this cycle, and it's a very boring time, but this is the time I like to dollar cost average. Morgan Stanley considers allowing brokers to recommend spot Bitcoin ETFs as well. The SEC is postponing the Ethereum ETF, which is annoying. Consensus is literally suing the SEC again. So many freaking lawsuits. And we've got HBAR dropping after some announcement that came out that they were partnering up, which is crazy, and that has now changed, sent the price of HBAR crashing. It doesn't change my state of mind for that one for sure as well. And again, just quickly looking over my 3Commas bots. Now, again, I will have a full video on this tomorrow coming out, so make sure you keep a close eye on that. And let's get into the video, ladies and gentlemen. Quick sip of water. All right, massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this insane journey we're all on. Things are getting pretty crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right. Formalities are out of the way. Top altcoins today. We had Anchor Protocol, Phantom, T-Fuel, Theta, and CFX doing quite nicely. Now, going to coin market cap, let's have a look. We're still down to 10% today in the total market, 2.37 trillion, $79 billion in volume. It is down a lot. And again, that's partly to do with the ETFs having a very negative inflow of capital, but I'm not even worried about that. 53% Bitcoin dominance, 60 on the Fear and Greed Index. Bitcoin sitting at $64,325 today. Solana's at 143 and XRP's at 53 cents. Right, I'm not going to go through all of them again because there's so many of them, but there are still incredible buying opportunities. Utility is absolute king. Now, quickly going to crypto bubbles. Yes, before I do, I have the Wall Street Bull University links below. My official Patreon page where I put up a lot of information in here, guys. All my buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots, all go up in here. Again, I've got the full setup guide as well coming out tomorrow. But all of the links to the trading bots with 3Commas are in there. You could just literally copy and paste them. Go check it out. And you can also message me in here as well and use the chat feature and speak to everybody in the community. And by the way, we're at like 960 members. So thank you very much to every single one of you. There is a free plan to this, so go join up. I've kept it at $5 US a month. $8.50 is absolutely nothing. The value that people get out of this, honestly, is insane. I'm not kidding. Go join up. It is linked below. Now, quickly just going to 3Commas. Now, again, I've got all my spot trading bots set up at the moment. And again, I'm set up the spot trading bots because the market is flat, but it's going to continue rising. The spot trading bots allow me to trade the markets 24/7. Set and forget. I don't have to worry about that because, again, we are not trading with leverage with the spot trading. However, I do have the Bybit leverage bots running as well, and that is all linked in the Patreon. So again, 3Commas, absolutely incredible. The leverage bots, I'm using an RSI indicator on a 3-minute time frame. The spot trading bots basically buy and sell for you. That is it. It's insane, right? And having a quick look right here at Bybit, you can see that my leverage positions are currently trading. Yes, they're down at the moment because the market's down, and I'm using 5x leverage. Do not trade with leverage because, again, it can be extremely risky and volatile. Just putting that out there. That is on Bybit because we can't trade with leverage on any other exchange. Maybe a couple of them, but OKX was my other one, really, that I was using to trade with leverage. It was crazy, and I'm just using this for the spot trading. And I've got like 20 deals going at the moment with that. It's awesome. Just literally set and forget. So that is trading for me 24 hours a day. So go check it out. You will not regret it. Quick look at crypto bubbles today on the hour. It's all red. We've got Algorand up 2%, still up 23 on the week, which is really nice as well. That is still 20 cents. Going to the day, though, we've got some, obviously, gems. Near Protocol, 9.5%, still up 281 on the year. Let's have a look here. We've got Hedera, was up 43% this week. It was pumping like crazy. No BS. It was insane. Like 26 cents. It was like 94% the other day because of BlackRock announcement. That turns out it was a miscommunication. But I'm still bullish on that, and it's still incredibly undervalued, in my opinion. And of course, XRP, it's still up 14% this year, 53 cents. Do not think of the value. Watch that video I put up on the channel the other day. Anyway, can XRP hit $4? I honestly believe it can. The price of Ripple's XRP token has gone on a volatile ride, recently sitting below the 30-day average. Some analysts have predicted that a significant price surge for XRP in the coming months, some with targeting a new all-time high. Yes, it definitely can hit that $4 price target. E-Grade Crypto is putting out some bullish charts as well, as you can see right here. Again, people just need to think of the utility. If the coin has utility, you have nothing to worry about. So just think long term. But this one gets me. Solana, right? I'm going to have a sip of water right here, but this is insane. CoinShares literally found out today that there has been significant increases in Solana in institutional portfolios and hedge funds. Institutional investors appear to be broadening their exposure to altcoins, including Solana, which has a dramatic increase in allocations from wealth managers and hedge funds. Crazy. Investors are more optimistic on Solana. The asset manager's head of research, James Butterfield, right here, wrote on April 24th, based on a survey of 64 investors with a combined $600 billion in assets under management, nearly 15% of all the surveyed investors said that they had invested in Solana. A significant bump from CoinShares' January survey, which showed none of the respondents had any investment in the altcoin. So think about that. All right, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but you can work it out for yourself. Interesting though, the market intelligence platform into the block has pointed out that Bitcoin pattern could suggest there is still plenty of time to go in the cycle. So if you are proposing the dollar cost average into these assets, just dollar cost average. It's easy. You just simply buy no matter what the price is doing. Don't try and time the market because you'll never get it right. It's just impossible to time the market. And don't wait for the price to drop, because if it does, big deal, you just continue to dollar cost average. It's very straightforward investing strategy. That is what I do. There's millions of people that do that. And Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy does that as well. Interesting though, keep looking at this. Morgan Stanley considers allowing brokers to recommend spot Bitcoin ETFs, which is huge. The potential move comes as the firm aims to tap into the growing demand for crypto investments, according to their report, Advisor Hub. Currently, Morgan Stanley offers Bitcoin ETFs on an unsolicited basis, meaning that customers must approach their advisors independently to express interest in investing. Okay, so we need advisors, right? Interesting. This is how the wealthy think. Just unbelievable. Anyway, we got the SEC again has postponed its decision on approving their spot Ethereum ETFs. From Franklin Templeton, initially anticipated in May, new deadline is June 11th. The SEC also delayed deadline for agency's decision on Grayscale's spot Ethereum ETF application again to June 23rd. Meanwhile, the SEC is soliciting public feedback on the revised ETF proposal from BlackRock, which now includes cash redemption model, a change from its original direct Ethereum exchange mechanism. So they're delaying it. Next minute, you've got Consensus, which is interesting, suing the SEC. Another freaking lawsuit. I would like to know how many lawsuits have been in crypto. It's crazy. Consensus explains that it took a formidable regulator to court because it believes that it does not want the SEC to expand its jurisdiction by wrongly labeling the second largest crypto as a security. And moreover, the firm argues that the regulator's reckless approach is hurting Ethereum developers, institutions, as well as market participants. So there you go right there. Suing the SEC again. Hedera slips nearly 10% again after it was cleared mistaken link with the giant BlackRock. This happened yesterday. Literally, what's the day? Yesterday. Hedera's price is down 10%, partly erasing gains inspired by the misinterpreted link from BlackRock. Despite its recent correction, Hedera's price is up 44% in 24 hours. which is crazy. And Hedera's foundation partner, Arx right here, shed light on the confusion regarding BlackRock. And let's have a look here. While the project mentioned Arx right here, or Onera, its announcement, it was misinterpreted as BlackRock choosing Hedera to tokenize $22 billion MMF. The misinterpretation ushered a rally in HBAR, which was insane, 100% gains, no BS. The air was clear when the asset management giant confirmed it had no commercial relationship with Hedera, and that it did not choose the Hedera hashgraph to tokenize any BlackRock funds, which is interesting. And this was all cleared up, but still the coin is bullish, and I'm excited about its utility. You have to think about the utility of the coin. Anyway, going to net flow. Money going into Solana. We've got Arbitrum, we've got CFX, Pepe. I'm just trading that at the moment, and that is pretty much it. Having a quick look at X, and then we'll end up on this. Yes, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Make sure you go follow me on X. If you haven't, thank you to those of you who have. That is me and Johnny Deaton. Japanese yen, the third largest currency, has literally gone to zero against Bitcoin. That is insane in itself. Again, Consensus is suing the SEC over Ethereum labeling as a security. Moving on, just in the buy, Bitcoin signed sold for $1 million today. That is insane. Magistrate Judge Netburn has entered into a scheduling order regarding Ripple's motion to strike new expert materials. The SEC submitted in support of its motion remedies and entry and final judgment. That is a tongue twister. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 70 right now. MicroStrategy currently holding $6.2 billion worth of Bitcoin, which is just crazy. And yes, they're delaying everything, the SEC, with the Ethereum ETFs as well, and their spot Bitcoin ETFs as well. It says they will not allow options trading, on Bitcoin ETFs. It's just absolute disaster. Raoul Powell basically saying, don't F this up. That is the truth. Having a listen to this is on Bloomberg right now. I want you to listen to this, all right?
Just halved, right? Which means that the work you do to get a Bitcoin, the price is twice as high. So that is theoretically a benefit for the next 4 years for Bitcoin. So I think over time, Bitcoin will rally even from here over the next 4 years. So if you bring me back.
Michael Saylor also did say that this is going to be an extended bull market, which is going to be very, very interesting. And yes, IBIT, BlackRock's ETF, literally took $0 of inflows. So it's going to be interesting. Maybe everyone's just holding on to a bit of cash or paying some bills. So we'll see where that goes. But that is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Stay bullish. Make sure you dollar cost average. Don't go FOMOing into meme coins. Just take it easy. And I'll be back tomorrow again with the 3 commas set up, because that's going to be bullish for you guys to check out as well. All right. Take care of yourselves. Have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso. Peace out, bulls. Bye.